Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Sport Autobiography dynamic 3-litre diesel in Portofino blue. This car's previously had one owner and is next due for a service in February 2022. As it's part of our approved use, you get a minimum 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the car and then I'll show you inside the vehicle. You have matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights for a modern exterior. 22-inch gloss black alloys, giving the car a real sporty look. Going into the back of the vehicle, you've got plenty of space there for 3 passengers, along with isofix brackets, which is ideal for families, a centre armrest for maximum comfort, and a 3-zone climate control, allowing all passengers to set their own temperature for a comfortable journey. You also have a powered tailgate, which is really useful if you do have your hands full, with plenty of space there in the back for items such as golf clubs and pushchairs. You can also put the seats down if you do need more room. Underneath you do have a spare wheel in case of any accidents. And you also have an electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. You also have privacy glass and keyless entry. Going into the driver's side, you have illuminated Range Rover script tread plates, electrically adjustable front seats, a leather steering wheel, perforated Windsor leather seats, and a sliding panoramic roof, allowing a lot more light into the vehicle. This car's done 17,984 miles, and that's the end of the 360 tour, so now I'm going to show you the technology inside the car. On your right you have memory seats, perfect if there's several people driving the vehicle, and a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. You also have electric windows and electrically folding wing mirrors, which is really helpful if you're in a tight space. Blind spot monitor, which is useful for motorway driving. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control. Practical for motorway and long journeys. A heated steering wheel, which is definitely a must, especially in winter. Bluetooth and voice control. On the screen in front of you, you can view and change your display, view your vehicle settings, vehicle information, media, driver assistance and trip. In the middle you have a touchscreen with sat-nav and DAB radio, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone. A 360-degree surround camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. Valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control. And eco data, which tells you how well the car's been driven, for example if you're braking too hard. On the next page you can also control your tow bar from inside the car, which saves you even having to get out. And you have ambient lighting with many different colours to choose from, which looks really effective, especially in the dark. Down on this screen you've got various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you may be driving the vehicle. Heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer so that you always have a luxury journey. And in your armrest you have a cooler compartment, which is useful for long journeys and keeping refreshments cold. Stepping back outside the vehicle, thank you for watching this video on this stunning Range Rover Sport Autobiography dynamic 3-litre diesel in Portofino blue, which is part of our approved used. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.